Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your PC and then opening the right tool. First, make a system restore point so you can roll back if needed. Once done, log into an administrator account. Next, connect to a stable internet source and keep the laptop plugged in to avoid interruptions. Now open Start, type Settings, and navigate to Windows Update, or press Windows plus X and choose Device Manager. We'll use both paths depending on whether you want automated updates or manual driver control. Once you're in, check Windows Update first. Click Check for updates, then view optional updates and expand driver updates to install recommended packages. If a specific device needs attention, open Device Manager, expand the category, right-click the device, and choose Update Driver. Right arrow search automatically for drivers. Windows will pull the best match. For critical components like GPU or network adapters, make sure to visit the hardware vendor site and download WHQL-signed installers when Windows can't find the newest compatible driver. You finish by restarting the PC so the driver installs complete and the system can initialize the new software. Then confirm the device shows no errors in Device Manager. If something goes wrong, immediately roll back the driver from Device Manager's Driver tab or use the restore point you created earlier. This avoids unstable behavior. If rollback fails, boot into safe mode to uninstall the problematic driver or run the vendor's cleanup and install tools. And make sure to update BIOS only when explicitly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.